Hello students, a very warm welcome to you all. Today we are going to discuss about mental multiplication, product of any 3-digit number. Number 1, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. This place. And these two number and this cross. Then again double digit. Then single. The pattern is straight, then cross, then star, then again cross, then again straight. Step 1 now. 1 and 2. So 1 is multiplied by 2, the value is 2. It's a single digit, the place 2 directly. The next number. 2, 1 and 1, 2. 2 times of 2 is 4 and 1 times of 1 is 1. Just adding these two numbers. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it's only one digit, 5 placing directly. Next one is star. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Now the product of 1 and 2 is 2. The same for all. Then 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So just combine all 6. And there is no carry. So just adding direct. 6 is here. Next one is this place. So 1, 2 and 2, 1. 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 2 is 4. Just add. It's a 5. So 5 is 5 directly. Next part is straight. So 1 and 2. The product of 1 and 2 is 2. So only one digit. So placing direct. So this is a final answer. 2, 5, 6 and 5, 2. Now move for another example. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3, 2. Using the same pattern, the step 1 is straight. 3 and 2. So 3 times 2, the value is 6. There is no carry, so placing directly. Next one is double. 2, 3, then 3, 2. So 2 times 2, that is 4, and 3 times 3, that is 9. So just combine, it's a 13. So 13, the unit place placing directly, then the remaining number is a carry. Next step is star. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3, 2. So 1 and 2 is 2. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Then 4 times 3 is 12. This value is 20. And also we need to add the carry 1. So the final value is 21. So the unit place is placed directly here. And again the remaining part is carry. The next one, cross. 1, 2 and 4, 3. 1 times 3, that is 3. 4 times 2, value is 8. After combine, it will become 11. Then the previous carry is 2. So 11 plus 2 is 13. Always the same. The unit place is placed directly and the carry is 1. Then the last step, it's a straight. So 1 and 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And we need to add the carry. So it's a 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. The final answer is 53136. So these steps is not required for all times, so just for practice purpose only. Once we familiar, it's easy to calculate direct answer. Thank you.